Move it, Gears! We're only gonna get one shot to extract those plans. And once we take down the comm towers, this entire base is cut off.
Yes, sir.
We've got Indies! Up top! Take them out! Nice shot! Way to go, Private! Keep pushing! Tower's just ahead! Come on, the Major's waiting!
Zajedni na posti! Zajedni na posti!
More Indies! One less Indy to worry about. Damn it, they're dug in! Get around and flank them! Let's go! Tower's just ahead! Leader, Green 1, approaching bonfire.
Roger that, Green 1. And sweet hell, these are dumb code names.
Okay, plan a charge on that tower. Plant the charge! What the hell are you waiting for? Plant the charge! Cleaner, our match is lit!
Roger that. We're lighting our bonfire in 3, 2, 1. This base is out dim, dumb and blind. Also, I'm shit canning our codename, Santiago. See you at the lab.
Yes, sir. The lab's just beyond that security gate. Push up! Machine gun nest! We're splitting up. You two, take left.
We're spotted! Take cover!
Good to go!
Ready to go!
Hey, the Major's counting on us! Get up there!
Order sheet!
Don't let him pin you down! Move up! Now get a frag in there! Come on, get a frag in there! Nice! Now get through that door! And don't mind the mess.
You two, you have the security codes. Override that gate. And with that, this raid is officially underway. Let's go. All right, you know the drill. Eliminate the guards, get inside the lab, grab the plans. Then we ghost.
So what does this hammer of dawn thing do?
It wins the war. And if we do our job right, every system here is wiped. And the indie scientists get an offer they can't refuse. All right, we're in. Let's go.
I think so. Moving slow.
Lab's up ahead. Take them out.
Come the heck out. Looks dead enough to me! Ready to go!
Push him back! All right, we're in. Time to rendezvous with the Major. Come on!
That's a me!
Nice to see you're not dead, Private.
You too, Major!
Let's take out these Indians so we can get on with the goddamn show.
Yes, sir! Indy! Coming from the lab!
It's a body! Red, go! Go for it!
Good one! Keep it up!
Gloria, Molotov! Dead!
Got him! Lab secure, Major.
I have eyes, Private. Now, let's get those plans. Step aside, Private. Looks like these Indy scientists aren't too eager to meet us. Bruce! Be a dear and rip this door.
Gears, listen up. If we're not out in 10 minutes, abort mission and get the hell out of here.
Okay, Santiago, time to meet our new friends.
Right behind you, Major.
Andy's left side!
Hold him back!
Use the turret! Zayeni Repolsky! Zayeni Repolsky! Ready to go!
That's a mix!
They're coming in on the right side!
Hold your position!
Fire in the hole!
Get on the turret!
And stay there! That's a meek!
Indy's on the left!
Keep him away from the lab!
Use the goddamn turret!
Gears, hammer plans are in hand. We're coming back topside.
Go for it! Gotta let him through!
Get on the turret now!
Fire in the hole! Who's there?
Control, package is secure.
Cleaner, proceed to the beach for marlin extract.
You hear that?
Mortars!
Oh, we got orders incoming.
Can I suggest you run, Major?
To the beach! Go, go, go!
Run, get out of here!
Don't stop! Oh, just ahead! Keep moving!
God, I can't see shit!
When valiant COG forces captured the UIR's plans for the Hammer of Dawn, we ensured our survival in the worst conflict our world had yet